Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon FBA for hazardous materials. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen and you need to use Amazon FBA for hazardous materials, it's crucial to follow specific guidelines to ensure safety and compliance. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you manage this process effectively. First, log into your Seller Central account and navigate to the Inventory tab. Select Manage Inventory and find the hazardous materials you wish to ship. It's essential to correctly identify these items to ensure they are handled appropriately. Before you can use FBA for hazardous materials, you need to meet Amazon's requirements. Navigate to the Catalog section and select Add a Product. For hazardous materials, make sure to provide accurate details regarding the nature of the material, including its classification and any relevant safety data. Next, create a shipment plan. Click on Send, Replenish Inventory, and enter the details of your hazardous products. Amazon will require you to provide detailed information about the safety and handling of these items. This includes packaging requirements and any necessary documentation. Hazardous materials have specific packaging requirements. Ensure you use packaging that complies with Amazon's guidelines for hazardous goods. This often includes using durable containers and labeling them correctly. Be sure to consult Amazon's packaging guidelines for hazardous materials to avoid any issues. Fees for handling hazardous materials may differ from standard products. To get an estimate, use the FBA fee calculator. Enter your product details to understand the costs associated with your hazardous inventory. Once you've prepared your shipment, review all details carefully. Confirm your shipment and print the shipping labels provided by Amazon. Attach these labels to your packages, ensuring that all safety labels are clearly visible. Following these steps will help you safely and efficiently manage hazardous materials through Amazon FBA, ensuring compliance with safety regulations and Amazon's requirements. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.